what we have here is a power antenna from a 1964 Pontiac Catalina. And it came to us with a concern that the antenna shaft would not withdraw all the way to its resting position, which it is now. This extension right here is normal extension in the resting position. And of course, what we've done is we've gone through the mechanism. The motor had a couple of minor problems in that one of the screw down mechanisms that hold the motor in the assembly was loose. Two screws on it were loose. And as well, the tension on the clutch was not adequate to keep it from stopping. Probably most importantly, however, is this mostly good antenna has one section that has kind of a muffled anomaly in it. It's only in the surface enough to rub off a tiny bit of chrome. But we don't want to wipe off any more chrome, so we cleaned down the antenna mast and coated it with a silicone material. So the silicone in combination with the clutch adjustment and seating the motor properly have resulted in the following. Go ahead. It's not the fastest antenna, but it does deploy completely. And there's the clutch, which now operates properly. The down is about the same as the up. Wait, hold on just a sec. Before you go down, just wanted to show this one anomaly here. Oh, you have to go down halfway. Go down halfway again, and I'll show
It's right here. It's just, you gotta...
Well, it's a matter of seeing it, which is actually... It's very difficult to see, and probably not on this camera. But if you rub your finger over it, it is kind of a little bit wavy there. Okay, go down just halfway first, all right? It's a long antenna. Get those FM or AM stations. So right now, at this point, with it halfway down, I can slide all of the different sections, and now they slide very easily by hand. This is the section with the ding in it, and you can just feel a little ruffleness in it there. But the silicone helped majority of it, because before it was stopping halfway down as a result of that. But now it's operating okay. And continue down. And you can see. So ideally what this needs, is either a new mast, or we take it out and sand the anomalous portions, in which case you'll be missing chrome on the mast, or we could actually make it work properly and send the mast out to have it re-chrome plated. But right now it is working. So, and it is working on 14 volts, which means the engine is on. With just battery power alone, it will be maybe 1.5 volts slower. So that's where we're at with it so far. Please comment. Thank you.